Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, as you can see, we're out here in the garage again. We're working on plan B. We had it running a little bit. You can see a little bit of smoke back there, but I got hungry, so I decided to fire up the grill and we're going to do some chicken wings. So stick around and we'll show you what we're going to cook up. Alright y'all, I have to ignore the mower sound in the background. It seems like every time I come out here to do something, neighbors start mowing. So anyways, we got the resurrected Members Mark grill all fired up here and ready to go. We got ourselves some wing pieces, parts here, so get these on here. These were frozen, mostly thawed, but I'm just going to use my fingers. Go a lot quicker. And we are going to do some of these just plain. And we're going to do some with our sweet and sticky sauce. You guys seen me make that up there before, so. Alright. Got those all ready to go. Get them on there cooking. I got the temperature about a little bit above low. So I'm going to shut the lid, let these things cook away. Alright y'all, spend a couple minutes here. Check on these things here because I don't want them to burn. I just want them to cook. So, oh yeah, they're coming along. Now these thin ones will cook a lot quicker than the big thick parts, so I got my other side over here just on warm. So once they get cooked up, we can flip them over there and they'll be ready to go. I did kind of fib to y'all. Told you I was going to leave some of them plain and some of them with our sweet sticky sauce. But I decided to put some garlic powder on some of them. So Alright. Got them flipped over. Might turn that heat up just a little bit. Not too much, but alright. Let them suckers cook some more. Alright y'all, let's take another peek at these. Ooh, they're starting to sweat out a little bit, so yeah, they're coming along. Getting a little bit of color to them. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, cheese and macaroni. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of that sweet and sticky sauce on a couple of these. Let's see how many we got. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. Do a half a dozen with the sweet and sticky. We'll do the other ones with the garlic powder. Alright. Looking good. So close the lid and let them cook a little longer. See, it's great to have a grill out here at the garage. You know, working out here on plan B. Got hungry, had them chicken wings in there, so I decided I'm going to cook them up while we're working on plan B. So it's a win-win situation. Garage time and grill time. Alright, y'all, let's give another look at these things here. Ooh, they are looking delicious. Smelling delicious too. Ooh, I'm telling you. Ooh. Oh yeah. That sweet and sticky sauce is getting a nice little caramelization on there. Oh. Hey now. Trying to escape there a little bit. Put another brushing on these suckers here again. Oh yeah. Alright. A little sprinkle with the garlic powder here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's looking awesome. Smelling awesome. Filling the garage with smoke. It's going to be awesome working out here after we're done cooking. So, alright. Let her cook a little longer. Alright, y'all. These things are almost done. They're getting nice and brown. The sweet and sticky sauce is getting nice caramelization to her. Oh yeah, look at that one. Perfect. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm telling you, these suckers are good looking, good smelling. Ooh. I'll try to remember to put the recipe for the sweet and sticky sauce down in the description for y'all. So if you didn't try it with the pork, it smells like it's going to be awesome on these wings. So definitely need to try it on some chicken. So alright, I'm going to let these cook out, and then we'll bring you back for a taste test. Alright y'all, time for a taste test. I want to start out with one of them sweet and sticky ones. That sauce is delicious on there. Finger looking good. Let's grab one of these garlic ones here now. Just has that garlic powder on there. I don't know which one's better. Both of them are delicious. I like the sweet and sticky, but I also like the plain ones too. So, well, you'll have to try them. You decide and let me know. But today's beverage of the day, I've got the old time green tea, golden grain, southern style. So, you know, little iced tea of the chicken wings, awesome. Oh, that's some good stuff too, y'all. So, alright, there you have it, y'all. Some chicken wings on the grill while we're out here in the shop. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you are going to try it. Like I said, I will leave the recipe for the sweet and sticky sauce down there in the comment, or down in the description. Hope you will try it. If you do, please leave me a comment. You know, come back on this one here, or one of my other ones. Just, you know, leave me a comment. And while you're here, go down, if you really liked it, go down and hit that thumbs up. You know, we're getting pretty good views on them, but people either aren't liking them or just lazy and aren't hitting that little thumbs up button. It's free. Hit it. Smash that sucker. Smash it off the screen. You know, but hey, whatever. You know, and hey, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get everything we do here at the grill, in the kitchen, out here in the garage, or at the tractor pulls. Hey, you can even catch a Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, every Sunday night. Appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit.